It's been a year. Let's finish this. All the previous videos are linked below. This time we're cleaning up and mounting the foam body to the stand we made last time. Got the pipes cut to length. Sharpening the end of the PVC so it can cut into the foam better. Try and do a better job of aligning things than I did. Came out a bit leaned. I'll be using this to make clothes fit right. Also, one-armed representative and original cosplays. Disabled villains is not a stereotype I'll be doing. After a lot of shoving and cleaning the bits out of the pipe and more adjustment, it's ready for cleanup. All the uncured foam from the peeling video cured and expanded, so we get to trim it off. Not sure how the foam will hold up, so I dressed it in a t-shirt and used thread to get it good and snug to the form. Stitching up one side worked well enough because the stretchy shirt. During the first use, I cut the other sleeve off to get it out of the way. After a bit, I'm thinking of taking the shirt off altogether. Rainbow artifact is cool. Cut away the extra. Hi, Hazel. We all miss you. She was hit by a car between filming and release of the video. Tell your loved ones you love them. Now I'm making the shirt fit better. Again, tighter, the better. I just want to say, having a shirt that fits me right is amazing. There are not sufficient words for this feeling. Halloween cosplay, Calvin and Hobbes, Spaceman Spiff, after inflatable jetpack popped. Shirts fit now. This is so huge. I'll make a video of editing a shirt. Bye.